Sino pa daw po ako ng ice cream? Ayan, silang tumigaw. Sa'yo na ito lahat. Guys, ice cream. While enjoying your Jollibee ng hot sarap meal, dumating na po ang ating special guest all the way from the magical world of Jollibee. So please welcome ang pinakasaya at ang best friend ng lahat, Jollibee! Hello Jollibee! Welcome here at Jude Mateo's birthday party. And of course, just Mommy and Daddy, let's have your family picture. The birthday cake po, ang birthday cake kay Jollibee. Okay, Merry Christmas to all the Jollibee, so please go back to your seats muna. Okay, kung kumana tayo bigyan. Okay lang si Joel, kasama si Mommy and Daddy, okay? Sit down muna, sit down. Okay, get ready po sa camera. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and 1. One more guys. Hindi lang po isa ang dalang regalo ni Jollibee per Jude. Ilan Jollibee? Dalawa. So this time, what is your second gift Jollibee? Your dance number. So Mommy and Daddy, upo muna po tayo. At this time, okay, so bago tumayo si Jollibee, Jollibee has a reminder to everyone na wala munang lalapit na Jolly Kids sa unahan. Baka po sila ay matamaan ni Jollibee ng kanyang cute na mga paa. So mga mommies and daddies, kindly assist your kids. Baka biglang tumakbo sa unahan po, okay? So syempre, hindi po magsisimula si Jollibee hanggat wala siyang naririnig na isang malakas na palakpakan! Let's give it up for Jollibee together with the Smart Team! Let's go! So please all stand up. Tayo po tayong lahat. Because once again, we will sing a happy birthday song for June. Get ready everyone for the happy birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And now that's tayo mas mabilis, mas masaya. And now everyone, let's all shout happy birthday June on 3, 2, 1. Okay, with the help of mommy and daddy, please blow the birthday candle. Yay! Happy birthday!